Okay, we have visitors from Chicago.
Las Vegas! Visiting Chicago! Back again to our favorite city!
Okay, tell me about your travel.
Oh,
Windy.
it's long.
How long were you driving?
Oh, we drove from Las Vegas to New Mexico, from New Mexico to Oklahoma, Oklahoma to Little Rock, Arkansas, and then from Little Rock to Chicago.
I don't see Angelique. Where's the world champion? Angelique,
Yes.
what's your favorite part of Chicago?
This chair.
What's
Just
your favorite
sitting
what's your
down.
favorite chair?
This chair is my favorite. You can see everything.
Yeah.
It's in this chair, you can't. This perspective.
The blue chair. You gotta get the blue chair, right?
This blue chair right here, Chicago, Riverwalk.